So iPhone new action button. You can open any apps with this action button. For that, suppose I want to open my Facebook with this button. So how can I do it? For that, you need to open your go to your setting, and then you have to go to your action button setting actually. Suppose this is my current. If you want to hold it, then my flashlight is on. Suppose you want to change it as a apps or any kind Facebook or Instagram. So that for that you need to go your shortcut option. You have to press on shortcut and press on shortcut, and then you have to press on open apps. Press on open apps. Suppose I want to open Instagram on this action button, then press on Instagram and wait a couple of seconds. It set as Instagram and go back. Let's check. Just open. So this is how you can easily open any apps with your action button on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Plus actually. Hope video helpful. Please thumbs up and have a good day. Thank you.